Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a strategy that is crucial for you to understand. And obviously, if you are an individual that is interested in a dropshipping business on eBay, then this is definitely a video for you. And obviously, we know for a fact that eBay is one of the biggest e-commerce website in the industry. And it's for that reason we are making all these amazing videos for you guys to ensure that you have the right strategy, the right tip and tricks that you would require to successfully start a dropshipping business and scale that business to become financially independent and break away from the 9 to 5. Now, there's two methods of doing dropshipping business on eBay. The first one is doing personally, and a lot of individuals right now want to sell items that they own and they don't use anymore, so they put it on eBay and they sell it. And this is one methodology which people tend to use. The second methodology is where people actually source different products and dropship those products in order to make money, and this is a business oriented strategy. This is a perspective that they want to develop in order to become financially independent. And obviously the requirements are different when you want to dropship as a business, and the requirements are different when you want to personally start an eBay business and sell personal items and sell individual items and sell an item in a week, in a month, in a year, in a 6-month time period. But what we're talking about today is something very different. We're talking about how you can actually develop a business and upgrade your personal account into a business account. And for that reason, there's certain elements that you need to understand, and there is different methodologies that you have to consider in order to become a successful independent dropshipping business on ebay.com. And the first thing that you have to keep in mind is the seller fee, and understanding the seller fee is one of the most crucial elements. And in order to find out what it costs to sell on eBay, this is the 101 for the fee. And the basic fee structure is very simple, meaning it's free to list. You only pay a fee if your item sells. I think that is pretty straightforward, guys, but if you need clarification on that methodology, you can always comment in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to support you, to guide you, and to assist you in whatever manner that you need. For more casual sellers, it's free to list on eBay. If you list more than 250 items per month, you'll start paying a 35-cent insertion fee per listing. Now, obviously, the final value fee is something that you have to consider. If your items sell, eBay keeps a portion of the sale. This final value fee for the most category is 12.9% of the sale price or lower, plus the 30-cent per order. So that is something you need to consider. Now, when are you going to be charged the fee? There's two ways that they're broken down: the pre-sale and the post-sale. The pre-sale is the insertion fee, and the post-sale is the final value fee. Now, giving your listing a boosting means literally if you promote your listing, they help you list stand among billions of listings on eBay. You have optional listing upgrades as well, and you can calculate your fee. The fee that you pay depends on the number of listings that you have, the product category of the item that you're selling, and whether you have an eBay store subscription. And using the chart given below, guys, you can compare the standard selling fee with the discounted rate that come with a store subscription. Now, the individual insertion fee for every month is the fact that you get 250 free listing, and those listing can be used for auction or fixed price items. And an additional listing cost of 35-cent per listing is actually done, and you only pay this listing fee after using your 250 monthly zero insertion fee listing. And the final value fee by category is given as most categories 12.9% on the total amount of sales up to 7,500 calculated per item, and 2.3% on the portion of sales over $7,500, and a 30-cent per order. The sneakers over 150 is 8%, the guitars and basses is 6%, trading card is 12.9%, heavy equipment is 3%, books and magazine is 14.6%, and movies and TV is 2.35%, bullions is 12.9%, and obviously jewelry and watches is 15%, and parts and accessories 15%, NFTs is 5%, and the women's bag and handbags are 15% if the total amount of sale is 2,000 or less, and 9% if the amount of sales over 2,000, guys, but the 30-cent stays as it is. Now, if you look at the element of the eBay store subscriber, and once you get it, you get a basic of 1,000 per month fixed price listing, a premium of 10,000 per month, and an anchor of 25,000, enterprise of 100,000 per month, and the basic element with 250 per month, 500 per month, 1,000 per month, and 2,500 per month. Now, obviously, as you scroll down, there's a lot more categories that are available. The elements are more available. The things that you can do and what you can sell and what what you can give and what you can take and what you can give to your customers are available, clearly mentioned below. Now, if we head over to the business selling element where you can grow your business with eBay, you can be among the millions of global buyers that will be able to buy from your eBay store, and they've got your back because you're protected by the policies and monitoring and customer support team that is created to keep you and the community safe. And you can connect with other sellers through hosted meetups, community forums, and seller events. And the best thing that I personally feel with the seller as a business on eBay is the fact that you can create a business selling accounts, but this requires you to have a bank account, a credit card information or tax information, and the government ID. You can pick up your shipping, returns, payment policy preferences that will be used for your listing, and you can use the suite of tools to onboard your inventory and start selling. Now, it's very simple and straightforward, guys, and the reason why I personally believe eBay is one of the best places to start your dropshipping business is because in the US, a video game is purchased every 2 seconds from eBay, a watch is purchased every 66 seconds, and a sneaker is purchased every 4 seconds, and a cosmetic purchase is made every 3 seconds. A watch in Germany is purchased every 23 seconds, and a tool is purchased in Australia every 5 seconds. And that is massive, guys, and you could get on this business as well. And everything that you need to run your online business is available, from the inventory management, from managing orders, research and insight, and the marketing tools, as well as the brand building tools and the eBay app. All of the things that you need to ensure that you can start a successful dropshipping business in a professional manner and become financially independent and break away from the 9 to 5 and have the feasibility and flexibility at the same time. They have the right plans available. If you go for the starter pack, it's going to be $4.95 per month. If you go for the basic, it is going to be $21.95 per month. And if you go for the premium, it's going to be $59.95. The anchor is going to be $299.95 per month. And the enterprise with 1 year plan is going to be around $3,000. And you get all the benefits of all the plans, plus the lowest fees and the highest discounts. And guys, this is one of the reasons I personally believe moving on to a business selling is crucial. You can start with the starter pack, go to the basic, upgrade to the premium, and then the anchor, and take your business to the enterprise level and be able to take it to the flexibility that you always wanted. And obviously, guys, once you're able to start an eBay business, you can literally make a lot of elements in your store with the seller hub that gives you everything that you need to build and grow your business on eBay. And with a great price badge, you'll be able to help eBay shoppers quickly find what they're looking for. With verified rights owner programs and third-party providers, you can stay in touch on the podcast, on social media, in your email, on YouTube, and ensure that you're always a step ahead to get the right product to your customers. And that is the reason why eBay is considered one of the best and biggest places and platforms for you to start your dropshipping business. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, assist you. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.